Hello, welcome to Arla. It's a pleasure to have you. Before you get to work, we'd like to introduce ourselves. You'll recognize us from our tasty puddings, cheeses and other delectable dairy products. Pure and natural, produced with a respect for people, animals and the environment. At Arla, we have a certain way of working that should suit you as well. A future-proof system for solid results and a pleasant atmosphere. Enter our Lean method. Lean is a philosophy, a way of working where we constantly aim to operate as efficiently as possible. Lean has been adopted around the world by some of the leaders of industry. It's actually not that complicated. It all boils down to this. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Yep, smarter. It's about working together to reduce waste. We aren't keen on waste. There are 8 different ways that waste is created. One of them is wasted effort. For example, if one has to walk around things, or a lengthy distance between machines. Overproduction is also a form of waste, producing way too much of something. Then there's wasted material. That's nothing new. Always a shame when something's needlessly thrown away. And what about wasted time, waiting around or losing time looking for your gear? Storage is also a form of waste. Stockpiling is costly. And overprocessing. Oh, that's a funny one. Taking the long way around, putting in too much, getting back too little. A customer doesn't want to pay for 2 straws when buying 1 drink. Then there's wasted talent. Is everyone in the right department filling the right position? And finally, waste of transport. Employed too much or too often. We want to get rid of all this waste. This is why Arla uses the 5S method to help reducing waste. And we can do the work in 5 steps. 1. Sort. 2. Set in place. 3. Shine. 4. Standardize. And 5. Sustain. Indeed, all 5 start with an S. The first 3 are easy. Step 1 involves creating an overview by clearing your workstation of unnecessary materials and tools. Good riddance, sort it and discard it. Step 2 is placing everything you regularly use in a specific and logical place, making sure that you can find everything when you need it. Seek order. And step 3 is staying tidy, not just once, but systematically. Keeping clean, a dirty and messy workspace increases quality problems. Then there's step 4, standardization. It's a way of thinking. Introduce good work habits and routine and make sure that everyone gets them. We've already explained how it works and you'll find standards throughout our factory. Pretty handy, no? And lastly, step 5, sustain, which is basically a way of thinking, a mindset, or actually a learning process. It means making sure everyone's good habits become routine. So we all quickly take note when things go wrong, should something go wrong, and we know when it is time to step in. Preventing waste in 5 steps. That is the foundation of Lean, the way we do things here at Arla. All of us, everyone. So you should too. Together we can prevent waste. It's not about working harder, just smarter. Together we become Lean.